Monitor lizards are active carnivores, preying on insects, eggs, and small mammals, such as this Asian water monitor. Asian water monitors find food by scent. Asian water monitors will take just about anything that moves. Birds, such as this baby chick, are fair game to monitor lizards.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget, a new video at least once a week. If you want your name and credits at the end of our videos, please visit our Patreon by clicking the link and supporting us at the $5 level. Your name and credits is a small way for us to show you our gratitude for making these videos possible. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support, and check out these videos. Please leave a comment below what you liked about the video or didn't like, and please subscribe. I hope everyone has a phenomenal day.